Hey girl, hey! You wanted Hawaiian Mac Salad, so I recorded it for you. But I also decided to go along with some tonkatsu with my own katsu sauce. And we added some shredded cabbage just because. Just because. Here we go! Salt your pasta water. Once the water is boiling, cook your pasta to the box directions
minus 2 minutes.
Once the timer's up, drain it out into a strainer and pour cold water on it. Now let's wash our veggies, carrot and celery. Using a cheese grater, we're going to grate the carrot off. Next, using a paper towel or a cheesecloth, put your carrots on there and squeeze out the moisture. Next, place those carrots into a bowl. Next, we're going to thinly dice your celery. Then you're going to squeeze the excess moisture with a paper towel or cheesecloth and put it into your bowl with your carrots. If you forgot to squeeze the excess moisture like I did, that's okay. We're just gonna move on. Give it all a mix. If you're not sure how to dice an onion, that's okay. We all gotta learn somewhere. Cut it in half. We're gonna cut the little pointy tip off. And then we're going to peel off that outer layer of skin. Then you're going to make multiple cuts. Just as many as you can. The more cuts you make, the finely diced they are. Now we're going to cut in horizontally. You could do 1 or 2, but I just did 1. And then we're going to cut down vertically again. And that's how you dice an onion. Now we're going to collect our onion and dump it into the bowl. I'm only using half of an onion because I used half a box of macaroni. Mix it all in. Next, we're going to grab our imitation crab. This is a 14-ounce packet, but I'm using half, so 7 ounces of imitation crab. Just give it a run through with your knife and try to dice it up as much as you can. If you like it chunky, do it chunky, or if you want it thinner, then do it thinner. Add it to the bowl and mix it all in with your carrots and celery. Now we're going to add our seasonings into the mixture. So we're going to have salt, sugar, white pepper, and hondashi. This is a special ingredient that you can find at your Asian market. If not, I'll add a link in the description. Give it a mix, add mayo, and give it another mix. Now we can drop in our macaroni that's already cooked, mix it all in, and give it a taste test. This is where you can add more salt if it needs salt, or add more sugar. Just be careful, the salt can go in, it cannot come out. Now we can cover the bowl, put it in the fridge to let it chill. It's best to wait overnight or at least 4 hours. Anyway, that's how you do Hawaiian Mac Salad. Bye girl, bye!